Hello everyone, I am KP Anirudh. I joined FIITJEE Kilpauk in class 10 under the 2-year classroom program and then moved on to the Pinnacle integrated program for class 11 and 12. I had joined FIITJEE back in class 10 just to experience how a competitive exam coaching would be, and then soon fell in love with the subject and the FIITJEE's teaching methodologies and moved on to the integrated program for intensive training. In the time with FIITJEE, I found two things very special in FIITJEE. One is the way they backed students under failure, which I somehow feel is more important than backing the students who are on a success trail. Why? Because these people may have the potential and may have the talent but could have just lost the track because of external factors, and they tend to lose a lot of confidence, and backing them would be extremely important. I was a person who had those difficulties, and FIITJEE helped me learn the art of moving on from failures, which I believe is very important in the coaching, in the competitive exams perspective. That trait is a very important trait which we observe in very successful ventures. The best example I feel being is CSK. The second most important feature I found in FIITJEE was the peer group we were exposed to. Everyone was top notch, so the discussions we had, though most of them were jovial, but they had some academic sense attached to it, and that under extreme competition was very fruitful to me at the D-Day. And coming to the pandemic, FIITJEE gave us a top notch above the other individuals who are preparing. Why? Because they merged the online and offline facilities very well. Teachers taught us things with amazing visualizations and helped us learn memorizing techniques. Also, the recorded lectures which were provided to us proved very helpful. With the online mode being the only possible way of academics, this was a boon out of a bane. To my juniors who are preparing seriously, I would like to say this: stay calm, keep it simple, and move step by step towards the goal. Do not look for very far-fetched goals, but for simple goals. And at last, I would like to conclude by thanking FIITJEE, the staff and the support staff, my parents, my peers, for this wonderful opportunity given to me to study and clear IIT JEE with flying colors. Thank you.